Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Apple Wireless Bluetooth Magic Keyboard. Specification. Package include software update, set up your Magic Keyboard. Key functions. Rename your keyboard. Battery recharge. To remove a pairing. Battery. Features: wireless connectivity, rechargeable battery, improved key stability. Low-profile keys, seamless Mac integration, Lightning to USB-C cable. Troubleshooting. FAQs. What devices can the Apple Magic Keyboard be used with? How does the Apple Magic Keyboard enhance the typing experience? What technology does the Apple Magic Keyboard utilize for connectivity? What features make the Apple Magic Keyboard stand out? How do you charge the Apple Wireless Bluetooth Magic Keyboard? How does the Apple Wireless Bluetooth Magic Keyboard connect to devices?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.